Hi foodies, happy Diwali. Let me show you a very quick and easy Diwali sweet that everyone will love. Make it this Diwali and enjoy with your family and friends. Come on. We will start by taking warm milk and then add melted ghee to it. Adding sugar to this mixture. Make sure it's all mixed well and the sugar dissolves completely. The recipe with exact measurements is in the description box below. We will add in the all-purpose flour in batches so we get a nice stiff dough. Keep mixing in between additions and repeat until you get a stiff dough. I use total of 2 cups of the all-purpose flour, but you may need some more or less. We need a thick dough in the end. This looks perfect. We will allow it to rest for some time. Now let's divide this into 3 equal parts and leave the rest while we work on this one. Roll out this portion into half-inch thick sheet and try to get all the sides as equal as possible. Now here you can get creative and make any design you like. I'm using a measuring spoon and cutting the dough into rounds. We will use this discarded portion later. Just press the rounds in the center and press the edges with a fork. This is just one style. The possibilities are endless. Looks so cute, right? I'll make the rest similarly. All these are ready and they look so wonderful. These have to be deep fried on low flame for them to cook completely all the way through evenly. Keep moving them in between so they have a uniform golden color all around. These are so crispy and yummy and disappear quickly, so you may need to make a bigger batch for your family. Hope you like this recipe and happy Diwali!